good session. I'm gonna have some ginger moringa tea that I made earlier. It's warm. I hope you like this tea. It's ginger moringa, no sweetener is added. Good tea, good vibes. I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. Remember to stay positive, think on possibilities. Have another one. It's warm, so yeah, tasty. So good, so good, so good. I love ginger. I think ginger is one of my favorite root herb, and whenever I make tea I always had ginger and something. Ginger alone. This one is ginger and moringa. A couple days ago I had ginger and cumin seeds, ginger and garlic, ginger garlic lemon, ginger cumin lemon. Call me Ginger. So I'm gonna get started with the rest of the activities I have for the day today. And I'm gonna take you along that journey with me today. A bit of it. I am going to the supermarket, which is rare, but what I'm looking for, it's not in the market. So I'm walking to the supermarket to get what I need. And I'll tell you a little bit about it when I get to the supermarket. For kids. Oopsie. And there is only one. There's no more. So that's what I am here for. This thing has a lot of nutritious content in it, such as vitamin A, and it is said to be good for the eye, bone, and the immune system. Vitamin C, K, which is good for blood clotting and building bone. I'm excited about this. I wish they would have more because I'm going to use a lot of it in this soup that I have at home. Pretty much all I came for. There's nothing else here that I would need. Kale is one of the things that is not sold in the market or the tianguis, but it's sold in the supermarket. So that's what I came for. And I'm also looking if there's anything else. I was hoping to get fresh mint so I could put it in water and fumigate it, but they have these ugly mint, and that would not be good for what I wanted to do. We have rosemary, purslane, and lemongrass. I want this to make tea, so I'm gonna get this. And I'm also gonna get a bit of pumpkin blossom to add to the soup at the end. And they have this cauliflower, just to add a bit of color to the food. And while I'm here, why not take the entire supermarket, right? And that's pretty much all I need. Everything else that they have I can get in the market.
Efectivo con tarjeta.
Efectivo.
Acá.
Gracias. Time to see you making brekkie. What are you gonna make for breakfast?
Egg with toast.
What?
Yes.
Oh. Are you be careful? I'm not chicken fingered. You need to be careful. Where are you going? Now back to the story of the kale I bought at the supermarket. I'm gonna put that 1 handful, 2 handful. Yep, I'm gonna give this a washy wash. While washing, I'm squeezing it, and like a rough massage, not a soft one, a rough one, eh? Then we are gonna put this in the pot with the peas that I had cooking in the instant pot. And then we are gonna put this on saute. My finished soup, beans and spinach garnished with pumpkin blossom. This is what I'll be having for my lunch dinner. It's cold in Mexico City. For me, it is cold. I'm from the island. I like it hot. bean soup with spinach. I will definitely leave the recipe in the description box. I'm going on a walk with the monster. I've been resting, preparing for what's to come next. It's quite chilly. Chilly. He is at his favorite spot, one of the many favorite spots. And he's having his share of free time.